to our school board chairman, Sir Luigi Davoet, and the members of the school board who are present today. To our guest speakers, Sir June Park and Mario. To our teachers, Teacher Annie A. Ilaga, and Teacher Princess Mas A. For faculty and staff, dear parents, my fellow completers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a wonderful morning to all. On behalf of the Little Women Nurse 2025, I would like to thank you all for coming on this memorable event of our lives, our moving of ceremony. First and foremost, we of the praises and thanksgiving to God for His guidance, protection, and giving us the knowledge and wisdom throughout the year of our study. To the school administrators of Apprentice Elementary School of Santoro, CTINC, I am extremely thankful for providing us services of Apprentice Christian education. To our amazing teachers, Teacher Annie and Teacher Princess, thank you for guiding us every step of the way in our studies. We learned the importance of helping each other, the joy of fighting together, how to be brave when we try something new. To our dear parents, Tita, Tito, Wawa, and guardian, thank you for your great love sacrifices and being with us all around the here, Maraming Sawan Matpu. Today is a very special day. We are here to say goodbye to a wonderful kindergarten, a future and step into the next exciting chapter of our lives. To my classmates, I had so much fun every day at school with you. We are all brothers and sisters. We play, read, write, draw, and sing together. I am forever grateful to God for knowing you. I pray to God that we see each other next school here in the school. Okay? Promise. Once again, thank you and congratulations with you Women Nurse 2025. Mabuhay tayong lahat!
Very good.